Hey guys, thanks for tuning in for another episode of the review channel. And today we're going to talk about the new Otter Box. So I'm a huge fan of Otter Box. I've always been. I've had them for the last maybe 3 or 4 years. And this is my old iPhone 6 Plus. And this has been in the Otter Box ever since I bought the phone. As you can see a little bit with the older ones here, seem to stretch out a little bit. The rubber seems to stretch out a little bit around here. But all in all, and it has this film on top, which I'm not a huge fan of, so it has issues sometimes with the swiping the screen up or down or doing certain things. So when I saw the new Otter Box come out, I noticed the screen protection was missing, so I was kind of concerned about that, but also relieved at the same time, because you're going to get the same protection as you drop the phone. And I dropped the phone a few times and nothing's ever happened to it. It still works perfectly. It's not scratched, it's not damaged. So you get 2 protections. You get a guarantee from Otter Box, and if your phone breaks, they will warranty it. And also, you don't break your phone, so which is kind of cool to have a phone and all the BS behind that. So I'm a big fan of the Otter Box, and I like the clip. I know it looks big and bulky. I know a lot of people are intimidated by the clip, but me, I like the clip. So you put it on your side and you clip it on. Very easy. So this review, so basically, got the new iPhone 10 Max, as you can see here. Fantastic phone, but I didn't really want to use it without getting my protection for it, because I want to protect the phone. It's very important. And I like the clip, and I like the grip of it. You know, I like to have something to hold on to. Phone could be kind of slippery. You drop it once, bang, boom, $1,100, and that's the end of that story. So you don't want that. So I picked up the new Otter Box Defender. I got this at the Xfinity store. They had it. So let's see how to put it on the new iPhone 10 Max. And a lot of people can be intimidated a little bit with these big cases. They feel like it's hard to put on, and I'm just going to show you how to do that. So the case itself comes just like the original case does. I think this plastic is a little bit better. It's not as rubbery, a little bit more sturdy. So I think this is going to be a better overall experience. I like the feel of this case. It has a nice ridge on it. It really feels great. So I like that. I like the clip. It's got the clip. And the funny thing is about this with the iPhone, and it's interesting. So I was concerned about the iPhone Max, that it's going to be just too big. You know, it's a big phone, big. Everyone says it's a big phone, but my 6 Plus and the Max are exactly the same size. Actually, if you look at it, the Max is actually a drop smaller, which is interesting, right? So bigger screen, smaller case. So I mean, Apple has done a great job with the designing and innovating their phones and making things bigger and smaller at the same time, which is kind of cool, right? So let's go ahead and put this case on, and I will show you how to do that. Take off the case, put the side, and then some people get a little bit intimidated by this. You're like, you know, how do you get this off? You don't want to break it, and these just gotta peel off. You just gotta kind of peel it off like that. See how it opens up? You just peel it back. And so as soon as you peel it back like an onion or an orange or whatever, you just peel it right off. And it just comes right off. It's so simple, right? So this is all your protection here, and then you have the double protection. So you get 2 layers of protection in this case. So this is a really nice case, and there's no more screen front, which I like. So you actually get the access to screen and utilize the screen front, which I think it's a great experience. And to open up the case, there's a couple clips here. So you just unclip that. And it takes a little work, and don't be afraid of it. Don't be intimidated by these cases, because they can be intimidating. You don't feel like you're going to break it. And Otter Box does back it. I've had things break in the past, and things, you know, and they've taken care of me many times. So you open up the case, okay? Take your phone, and you just drop it in. That's what I do, right? Easy. Can't complain about that. So far, so good, right? No complaints. Take your cover. And it basically snaps on. Okay, you can hear it snapping. Right? So now that is in the case, and that is secured. Alright, that's not going anywhere. Now you want to do is you just want to put on your rubber back protection, right? Which is the main protection for this phone. And just slide it in. Again, you just have to just wrap it around the phone, and you'll see it just start grabbing all around the phone like this, and just make sure everything is tight, right? lock everything down. Phone goes on, of course, because I'm touching all the buttons, right? And this is snug. It's a great fit. It feels good. And I love this phone. I love this case. I love this phone. And when you want to go out with it, you just snap it on and you're all set to go. This is the belt. It hooks onto the belt. The little clip in the back, which is very sturdy. I had one break in 5 years and they just replaced it and just charged me a small shipping fee, and they gave me a brand new clip, which is still cheaper than Amazon, and you get the factory manufactured, directly from Otter Box. It's not a third-party piece of junk. Good quality case. Excellent case of the phone. I recommend the Otter Box. This is the Otter Box Defender. This is here, if you can see it. Otter Box Defender. This is the screenless edition, which is the awesome, because now you can actually use the screen, and it's just a much better experience. So, some people have taken the older Otter Boxes and cut the screen out, and this here you get the screenless. And I also have the Defender Pro, I believe, and that might have the screen protector on it. I'm not sure. I think I luckily with this one, I'm very careful with my phone, and I don't throw it in my back pocket. I don't sit on it. I don't crush it, and this makes it just much more sturdier. I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial about the Otter Box Defender. Any questions or any comments, please leave down below. I appreciate you subscribing to my channel. It does help me out. And like I said, thanks for watching, and hit the subscribe button if you want to see any of the future updates or anything else you want me to review, anything specific. Let me know. And just on a side note, iPhone 10 Max, the best phone ever made from Apple. Fantastic phone. Just got it. Love it. Check out some other reviews that I have. I'm doing a little bit of reviews on. I'm also with Xfinity Mobile. I switched from AT&T. Another big thing I'm doing. So check out everything out. Please subscribe to my channel, and I do appreciate you watching. And you have an awesome day.